All right, so I think the recording is good. The first part, now, before you ask any questions, I'd like to make more like an announcement for the current status of the course so we can share with everybody. And I'm sharing the computer screen that, as you can probably see, we are today is November 12th, so we are at the end of Module 5B. And if you double check the schedule that we have in the syllabus on the syllabus page, you see that this week we're supposed to have two assignments that's been posted. One is assignment number 10, and the other is project milestone number 2. These two these two has been delayed, and one of the reasons is that assignment 10 is this assignment called user interface, not user interface, user management assignment. And and because of the platform change that I have done over the summer, and we are not well. I'm actually building a brand new tutorial for that particular module, so it will be moved to module number 6. So the assignment 10 will be released next Monday. So you still have one assignment. And I intend to give you assignment number 11, which is not on the syllabus. But that particular assignment will be, I think I will use that as more like a bonus assignment. So you can work on that or choose not to. And if you work on that, then you will get extra 5-point credit for the course. And assignment 11 will be a very short assignment that I'll give you in a tutorial that you can try in the Apex environment as well as probably in the SQL developer environment to write a small store procedure and try to test to see if you can use a store procedure and understanding the utility or the benefit of using a store procedure or how that work actually in a database environment. So that is my plan. So two new tutorial and two assignment, but the one assignment need to be counted. And the other assignment called Project Milestone 2 is actually should be released after I grade your project assignment 1. And I've been thinking about doing that since Monday this week, but very quickly it's Thursday already. I don't know where my time goes. So I will try to grade this before today, tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, by end of tomorrow. So the Project Milestone 2 will be released. And Project Milestone 2 is not a very significant assignment, if you want to call that, in our course design. It will be count only 5 points, and the main objective for milestone 2 is to improve on your milestone number 1 after I give you feedback, and then you start to build something in your Apex environment by default, so you can kind of make sure that you can actually build some report based on the data set you selected for the semester project. So after that, so the project milestone 2 will probably have a relatively short deadline, say November 23rd or something, right? And after that, you will be left with like 2.5 weeks left until end of semester, and you can work on or actually complete your project. So that's where the assignment is all about. And the other part of the course requirement is the final exam. And just like your syllabus is stating, final exam is actually not on the final week. It's actually a week before the final week. And similar to the midterm, it will be a open books type of exam. Format is exactly the same, and you will have 40, actually, how many? 30 or 40 multiple choice questions plus 5 short answer that I will collect from the assignment that accumulated after the midterm. So that's the design of the entire course. And I hope this is a relatively heavy. I mean, it's not a very heavy course, but it's supposed to be occupy you a little bit time every week because this is a core knowledge in the MIS curriculum. So after the database, you should have a very good foundation in talking to people and working in the environment that is data driven, and we prepare you with all this terminology and hands-on experience so that you know what you're dealing with, right? After the training, and hopefully that you can also see that for those of you who has training in already in the undergrad program or at work that you have been using database, and this course give you something additional that is at the graduate level that we are discussing. Right? So that's the plan for the rest of the semester, and the final day for the project submission I think is December 11th, and so that will be 2 days before actually. This will be a Friday, I believe. So December 11th is a Friday, and my grade due date is the Wednesday after. So it give me about 3 4 days, 4 days actually. It's on Wednesday. Due date is Wednesday at noon, so 4.5 days at most for grading and calculating the final grade. And I have two other courses that I have to handle, so that's roughly the right amount of time that you have. The final exam coverage, chapter 7 to 12, I believe I will take out, and I'll give you detailed announcement as well. But I think chapter 10 will not be included in the final exam. But the detail will be released probably sometime right before the Thanksgiving. So that's what we have, and we are near end of the semester already. So I hope that's enough information for you to plan for the next 4 or 5 weeks or so. Any questions from the audience that we have here, the four of you, how we proceed with the finals and the rest of the assignment? So I don't hear any questions or raising hands. I'll just stop the recording for this part and go ahead and to do the thing I intend to do today.